It's an historic first. A member of the French government invited to participate in a meeting of German ministers. Christine Lagarde's visit was a sign of the strong link between the two countries. But her recent criticism of Germany's export-based economy landed France's finance minister in hot water across the Rhine. Today, she came to back one of the ideas of her German counterpart, to tax the banks.
How do we get the banks to contribute to the cost of the great financial crisis that we've just seen? For that, we have to decide today, with the federal government and its allies, that we would like to tax the risks of the banks to create a restructuring fund.
The idea? Tax the profits of speculation, a tax that should generate over €1 billion each year. But the plan can only work if other nations treat their banks the same way. And Christine Lagarde has her own ideas about how the fund should be set up.
The question is whether we implement a risk insurance fund, as suggested in the German plan, or whether we implement a straightforward state tax on the banks. That's what we envisage, and what Britain and America want as well. It's essential that responsibility is taken by those involved to avoid systematic risk.
To limit the risks that banks take and to make high finance more ethical is a big task. The Franco-German couple have 6 months to agree how they plan to attempt it before the next G20 meeting in Seoul.